Welcome to my channel, did you know? Today, we are going to talk about some psychology facts about sex, which will blow your mind, so let's start the video. According to psychology, men always like to have sex with women younger than them. A woman will never tell you how many men she slept with. Those who have sex only 1 or 2 times a week. Their chances of heart disease are reduced by 30%. Men enjoy having sex with a woman whose both breasts are bigger than normal, merely rubbing the penis. Woman vagina causes a man's semen to fall. A wife agrees to take her husband's penis in her vagina only when she is very excited. 65% of the world's women and 90% of men masturbate from time to time. According to psychology, women who prefer oral sex are more likely to be unfaithful when a woman has sex. Many physical changes take place in her body when a woman or a man has sex for the first time. It is like a magical moment for them. When a man bites a woman's nipple and fawn, then the woman's vagina becomes more excited. When a man touches his penis with woman's vagina, it increases the excitement. When a woman is prepared for sexual intercourse, her body undergoes a rise in temperature and her breasts experience swelling. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.